Today we are making some red beans and rice. I am going to start by soaking these small red beans in some spring water for a few hours. You do not have to put any meat in this recipe. However, I do have this beef bacon. My husband loves this bacon, and I want to add a little bit more substance to the red beans and rice. So I'm going to be adding in a half a pack of beef bacon. This bacon is pretty expensive. It is $10 a pack, and it's a little difficult to find. So the only place I've really been able to find it is at Publix. So in addition to that, I'm trying to cut down on our sodium or, salt content. So whether I'm cooking this for breakfast or dinner or in any meal, I'm only cooking a half a pack of this at a time. I'm also going to be adding in some mushrooms. And now I'm just going to chop up a whole onion. Now that the bacon and onions are chopped up, I'm just going to go ahead and place half a pack of bacon and this whole onion in my pot to fry. I am not adding any oil to this because the bacon itself is going to produce its own oil, and that's more than enough. So now that the bacon and onions are in, I am going to add the mushrooms. Adding in some mixed peppers, red, yellow, orange, and green. I'm just going to continue to give this a good stir until it's all nice and cooked down and soft. Sidebar, my husband got hungry before this recipe got finished, so I just got a warm tortilla, put some of this on it, and added on a little bit of ranch, and he absolutely loved these. I'm going to add in my pre-soaked red beans, as well as some spring water. Now that the water has been added in, I'm going to give it a good stir. You see all those beautiful colors. Now I'm going to add in some seasoning. I love turmeric. Here's a little bit of parsley as well. Some cayenne. Garlic. I am adding powder and fresh garlic. Seasoning salt to taste. Now I am going to put the top on these beans and let these cook for at least 2 hours. I start these beans off on medium to high heat for at least 30 minutes, and then I gradually decrease the temperature over the 2-hour period of time. Now that these beautiful beans are nice and done, I'm going to plate them up. And I'm also going to add a couple spoonfuls of fresh white rice. Adding a little cilantro on for garnish.